So Chris actually is a retrofit device that fits in every car, and we call it the digital co-driver. And I can show you how easily it can be installed and what it can do. Okay, good. So see, I mean, actually, you have this suction mount here that, like with the navigation system, and this is now running. That's what it is, right? And then I connect my phone with the device, and that is usually if you enter the car and you did it once, it's already done, right? And that was even not 20 seconds, and now we actually have it connected. Because it's a little bit noisy here around, right? I show you here the demo mode, which is, but very nicely. So you see the user interface here, right? And I have a gesture sensor here that can let me swipe very intuitively through the menu. The menu and the display is non-connected, is a no-touch type of display. So it's just voice-enabled, and I would say now, hey Chris, play me some music, and Chris would ask me what music, and I say the Beatles, and then I could swipe and adopt the volume with the gesture control, right? I mean, you will realize that's my wrong arm here, because usually I'm sitting in the car, but we are at CES 2018. So, and then Chris is actually telling me there's a new message from XYZ, and then asking, okay, should I read you the message from Daniel or from that Daniel? And you can again swipe very intuitively, and Chris will read the message, right? And then Chris will ask you, do you want to reply? You say yes, and then you would say, thanks for the message, Daniel, see you later at Sans Expo in Las Vegas, and send. So very easy, very intuitively, and really focusing on what people do on the car. This is a really, truly car-optimized digital assistant.
And truly allows us to drive safer all the way into tomorrow.
You hit the point. I mean, see, don't use your phone while driving, but people using the digital life, and this is a true solution to allow you to use it safely and still be connected with the people you love.
And for lots more details, be sure to listen to the entire radio segment with Holger at intotomorrow.com from CES.